Welcome everyone. Today, since it's Christmas right around the corner, we're actually going to make eggnog cookies from scratch. And to start off, we're going to start off with 2 cups of flour. Everybody loves flour. Take this cup here, we're going to level it off. Make sure it's nice and level. If you're a kid like me, you're thinking about a bulldozer while you're doing that. 1 cup. This is cup number 2. Next we're going to do 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, that out of the way. Then we're going to use a half a teaspoon of nutmeg and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Get it all out. Once that's done, you're going to whisk this together and combine it for 30 seconds. Alright, so next what we're going to do is we're going to take 3/4 cups of room temperature butter. Make sure that it's unsalted. That's half a cup. Here is another 1/4 cup. Let me wipe my hand for a quick. Butter is butter, as you know. Then we're going to add a half a cup of granulated sugar and a half a cup of brown sugar. We're going to add that to the bowl. Then we're going to mix that together. Once you've got that mixed together, you're going to add 2 egg yolks, you're going to add half cup of eggnog, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla, 1 teaspoon, sorry. You're going to add half a teaspoon of rum. There we go. Now you're going to mix that all together. Got that done. So after you got all this mixed together, you're going to slowly add your dry ingredients. And you're going to manually mix this together with a spoon. Make sure it's mixed together really good. Once you got it all mixed together, time to put it on the sheets and throw it in the oven. Make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. once your oven's ready, you get your cookie dough on your sheets, you're going to throw it in the oven for 10 minutes. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put the cookie dough on the sheets, form up the cookies. You can use an ice cream scoop. I find this, after watching Mrs.v00d, I've actually found this to be much easier. So what you're going to do is you're going to get you a good scoop. Make sure it's flat, level in the scoop. Get rid of the excess stuff. And place it on the sheet. In the oven we go. See you in 10. Okay, so for the eggnog cookies, while the cookies are being made, we're gonna go ahead and make the frosting for the cookies. This is actually an eggnog frosting. It requires a half cup of butter. We're going to take this butter and we're going to mix it together, fluff it up, make it more manageable in the frosting. Make it nice and fluffy. Just like that. Then we're going to put 3 cups of sugar, powdered sugar. Put that in there like so. It also calls for a half of teaspoon of rum. Add the rum. Put that in there. That is done. The final ingredient for this frosting is eggnog. And it's 3 to 5 tablespoons of eggnog depending on the frosting consistency. Mrs.v00d and I like to start off with 3 and then add as we see fit. We use this type of eggnog, it's organic, and surprisingly, and believe it or not, it's lactose free. Start with 1, 2, there's the third one. We'll mix this together, see how that turns out. I think we need a little bit more eggnog, so we'll add 1 more tablespoon. A little thick, so we're going to add just a teeny bit more eggnog, not a full tablespoon, just a splash, not a lot. Mix it all in. And there you have it. And now on to icing the actual cookie. Now, here is the final product after, of course, they've been iced and topped with some more nutmeg. Thanks for watching.